Hey there, welcome to the Free Merchandise Lady channel. Are you a college student looking to save some money? Or are you a mom trying to stretch your budget a little further? Well, if so, you come to the right place, the Free Merchandise Lady. Check out some of the videos I have. Look at that. Amazon gift card generator. Look at that. Tips. Budgeting. Look at that. Free stuff online using Amazon gift cards. Look at that. Getting free all organic grocery and more. Look at that. Free hair products. You can't see that. Yeah, you can see it. There you go. Free hair products. Look at this. The Free Merchandise Lady got the videos. This is some of my videos on my list of videos. And look, on this channel, you'll find all sorts of saving, money tips, tricks, from free food to gas to discounts on everyday items. So join me and let's have some fun while we save money together. Yes, together. Especially in 2023. Make sure you check out my videos and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to all my latest savings and greatest money saving hacks. Look at that. Look at that. See you soon. Free Merchandise Lady. We'll see you soon. We're going to welcome in 2023 saving money, making money. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Just many more videos I have. Let's look at this. I'm going to show you some more. Whoa. Free Merchandise Lady going to do it. You going to do it too. Woo. Free Merchandise Lady.